Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I am taking the class of Shastri second. Yesterday we have learnt about sentence and kinds of sentence. Today we learn interchange assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Interchange of assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. First one, Ram is a boy. Ram is a student. For changing into interrogative, we should have to use first of all auxiliary verb. As we know, yesterday I have seen that interrogative sentence starts with auxiliary verb or either what, where, when, and what after what, when certainly they will be auxiliary verb. It means anyhow in interrogative sentence auxiliary verb is applied before subject. Here my subject is Ram and is the auxiliary verb. First of all, is comes in interrogative sentence. It is of assertive sentence. In interrogative, it will be is Ram is Ram not a student? Question mark. Here will be is Ram. The sentence is saying Ram is a student. Ram एक विद्यार्थी है. And its interrogative will be is Ram. क्या राम एक विद्यार्थी नहीं है? It means Ram is a student. Second one is Ram eats a mango. In this case, we see that here is the application of main verb instead of auxiliary verb. I have to make this sentence into interrogative. For making this sentence into interrogative, we should have to apply first of all auxiliary verb. But in the case of this, it is not auxiliary verb, it is main verb. That is why we take some auxiliary verb. In any cases, main verb is not applied before subject. That is why here we take auxiliary verb as do and it comes in here because in first verse third person singular number takes s or es. There will be do, s will be connected there, and because here is the o, a verb vowels, that is why es comes. Does after that Ram not eat a mango? I play cricket. Here is main verb is play. For this there will be application do. Here is no question of s. That is why we do not apply es or s in it. We are here use do I not play cricket. Now we are in the present tense. When there will be application of shall will or will be, will is also a modal verb. It comes earlier in interrogative sentence. Will he not run a race. You may write a letter. Here will be in interrogative. There will be may you not write a letter. May you not write a letter. In it, we can apply can, may, might, shall, should, will, would. Then it will be earlier that words come. After that the subject comes. If the sentence has not, then not is not applied there. And if the sentence has not, then there will be. Now we take some example of negative form. I do not play cricket. Here is do comes earlier in the interrogative sentence. Do I? Here is the application of not. That where it is erased. There will be do I play cricket. Hari does not make food. Here will be does. Does Hari make food? Does Hari make food? What we have? The does comes earlier. Does after the subject. Here is the application of not. That is why we do not apply here not. Make food. What we find there? If the sentence has not, there will be no application of not in the interrogative sentence. If the assertive sentence has not, we apply not in the interrogative sentence. Take some example of the past form. He was a student. Now was is here applied. There will be the auxiliary verb. It comes earlier in interrogative sentence. Was he? There is no application of not. There will be application of not. He was not a student. Hari played good cricket. Here is the played. It is in the V2 form. That is why when there will be the application of the V1 play, we apply do or does. Here will be S, then does. If S is not applied there, then there will be do. But here is in the V2 form. The V2 form of do or does is did. So here we apply did. Hari not play good cricket. You wrote many letters. You wrote many letters. Here is the V2 form. So that is why here will be in interrogative there will be did, and after that there will be you. Did you? And then not. Did you not? Right? Did here V2 comes there. In one sentence there will be only one V2. That here will be application of did, and then there will be application of main verb comes into V1. Did you not? Then it comes V1. The right. Did you not write many letters? Did you not write many letters?